Esikanyamazane Stadium yendekile iPremiers Cup launch yango 2026 eceleni kwami na honorable Mr Mandla Ndlovu nguye lo wende ukuthi kwendeke lokulesihlangane ngako namuhla kweqala Premier kubaleke kangakanani ukuthi le Premiers Cup ya this year kube netikolo involvement.
Yeah, we know that in the past we used to unearth talent in our schools because there were sport competitions at the district level, at the circuit level, school level. So we decided that while we'll be having these 4 teams that will be playing here that are already participating at an elite level, it is good that we'll also give an opportunity for our children to show their talents. What is good is that we are also requesting these teams to conduct soccer clinics. We are requesting these teams also to come and watch. It may happen that maybe 1 or 2 players can be given an opportunity to go and represent the province. We know that we have got good talents that are hidden in our villages, but we'll use this program to unearth that talent.
Prim, asikuthetele njengalokho baningi labakufunako ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho.